for your family. I'm with you because I love you.
I thought you said you played before.
I mean, I have. I just didn't realise that there were different versions of Mahjong.
You mean a fake version?
Well, in my defence, I thought you were talking about the one where you match tiles and stuff.
Solitaire? You're talking about the white people version.
We have about an hour to teach me real Mahjong. Do you think that'll be enough?
Well, considering the fact that you've dropped this on me last minute, we'll just have to go easy on you.
Please. It's bad enough that I'm Asian and I don't know how to play Mahjong. Don't go easy on me.
Well then, let's teach you how to play some real Mahjong then.
Green dragon?
Yep.
Out of curiosity, how do you pronounce it?
Fat choy.
Pak choy, like the vegetable?
No, fat choy.
Oh. Fuck toy?
Holy shit, babe. Stop messing around. Your girl. Pong.
And pong means...
Free of a kind.
What's wrong?
They're running late.
Wait, it's my turn to take, right?
No, it's my go.
Oh.
What are you doing? It's your go.
You just said it was yours.
Fuck, sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
Clearly not. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing? You keep glancing at your phone. Like, whatever's on your mind, I'm sure it'll be okay. You're just assuming the worst. Look how it turned out on my parents.
Yeah, well, they're not your parents, are they?
Right, valid. But you're making it seem like they're all crazy and everything.
They're your typical religious Asian parents. That's the definition of crazy.
You're being dramatic.
I'm not being dramatic. Fun.
Rude.
You didn't even know what I said.
You call me crazy.
Yeah, close enough.喂？咪喺邊啊？塞車？咁你揾到位打俾我啦。OK？得啦 ，OK。得啦，我知啦。我同佢講得㗎啦。OK，拜拜。
What is it?
They're running late. Traffic. They said sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just starting to think. Well, I don't know what to think.
Evan, don't do this. Not now.
I'm having second thoughts. I just think maybe this isn't really the best time to tell them about it. Vin. Shit. Vincent!
I haven't left, if that's what you're worried about.
Vin, can we please just talk about this?
We have talked about it.
You don't understand what they're like.
You're right. I don't. But I'm not asking you to do anything for me. It's just, I can't give you what you want. Especially if I'm nothing more than just a secret. Why are you so afraid of Ev?
You know what?
That's not it. Tell me what it really is.
I can't say it.
You're worried. I'm worried that they'll react badly.
That's not the only thing I'm worried about.
What if they're okay with it?
I don't know if that's even in the cards for me.
Ev, I know your family. I know what they're like. You can't live your whole life under them like this. Not forever. When you finally made that decision to be with me, I saw you for the first time stand up for yourself. Don't let them do this to you. Don't do this to yourself. To me. I know what they're like.
Then why are you with me then? If you knew the way my family was, why on earth would you want to stay with me?
I'm not with you for your family. I'm with you because I love you. Aren't you going to say it back?
Doesn't need saying. I do want to tell them. But what if I can't?
I'm not going to force you to do anything.
You aren't. But even I could tell sometimes. I know I might be blind, but just the way you were around your family, the way I was around them, I could tell you wanted the same for me. I just don't know if I can give you what you want.
All I want is for you to be happy. Everything will be okay.
For you, maybe. Just not for me.
I'm not going to leave you.
I know. That's why I don't deserve to have you stay. Because if I choose you, then I might lose my family.
And if you choose your family,
then I might spend the rest of my life resenting them.
And you're okay with either of these options? You're okay to live the rest of your life like this, keeping this part of you a secret.
If those are my only options, then I'd rather not choose at all. Một失足成千吉恨，再回頭是百年人。I never have and never will regret one moment with you. And I hope you know that, because我係真心愛你。
I know.